Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools and assessing the lock. This saves time and prevents damage. First, remove obvious debris. Shine a light in the keyway and brush with a small pick or compressed air. Once done, insert the key only partway to feel where it binds and do not force it. Next, apply a short burst of lubricant or a dusting of graphite. This reduces friction and lets components move. Make sure to keep movements small and controlled so you can sense changes immediately. You now focus on coaxing the cylinder free using controlled torque and lubrication. Apply lubricant into the keyway and around the edge, then insert the key fully and wiggle while applying gentle outward pull. This breaks surface friction. Once the cylinder moves even a fraction, rotate it slowly back and forth to let the lubricant spread. Cycle the lock 3 to 5 times to work it in. If extra leverage is needed, use a tension wrench or a cloth-covered plier for steady, light torque, so you avoid sudden snaps or broken keys. You finish by confirming smooth operation and addressing lingering problems. After the cylinder moves, reassemble any trim and test the lock 5 to 10 times with light force so pins settle correctly. If it still binds or feels gritty, remove the cylinder to inspect for bent pins or debris, or contact a locksmith. This prevents further damage. If all else fails, do not drill immediately. Drilling is destructive, so use it only as a last resort. One tip: if the key breaks, keep removed pieces for the locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.